scared. That's really scary. What the fuck is that noise? Oh, can they hear me right now? Does anyone see this? I don't know if I caught it on video, but there's some. I think there's something outside. I don't want to look. I'm not gonna look. I've got my curtains closed because it sounds really terrifying. It's like someone's screaming outside. So I just closed my door. I keep hearing it. It's like 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. right now. Right now, I don't know what this is. I don't know what's outside. I'm really scared right now. I have no idea what that noise is. That's outside at basically 5 minutes to 3 a.m. Felt like someone asking for help, but that's just, no, it can't be. I'm just really scared right now. Just keep recording. That was really scary, guys. I think it's stopped now, I don't know. Someone asking for help, I heard it, it's not nice. I don't know if I caught it on camera. Not camera, but recording. But it was, I could hear it through my window, so it was really quite loud. Yeah, it's not nice. That's scary, man. I'm gonna end it here. I don't know what the fuck that was. You can believe me, you don't have to believe me, but yeah, I'll end it here.